Hello guys! So today we're rail fanning should be train 1407, and we are hold on, Dad, are we seeing this one and then one at Ballot Center for 231?
Alright, that's it though. That's the last one.
Anyway guys, we're watching or train spotting or rail fanning, whatever you call it. It all means the same thing. A train headed this way over here, and subscribe to our channel, Transportation, Food, and More. Subscribe to it, like it, and you'll see a little bell in the corner. That bell, you press that, you'll be notified every time we upload / post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Good job. I like it. It's coming. It's probably like 3 minutes. Oh, I forgot to tell you our location. And we also have a special guest. We are acquainted. You mind? Okay. We are basically acquainted. We are basically friends. And yeah, it's a special guest. I believe he's in maybe high school. And I'm still in 2nd grade, but yeah. And it's coming. I believe those are about to go off right now. We are at the Brighton Street Railroad crossing here. Right next to the Minuteman path. I think I hear it a little bit. Yeah, I hear it. There's the Minuteman bike path, whatever it's called, the bike path. We just call it bike path. I think I hear it, yeah. We both hear it. Hey Dad, do you hear it? It's, Dad, can you check on your watch? What time is it? Okay. Should be, okay. It's usually not late, but it's coming right now. And, well, it should be coming, I'm predicting in like 2 minutes. I'm predicting about 2 minutes from now, or 1 minute from now. Hopefully no cars or anything gets hit. I usually get nervous when we're at this crossing. Yeah, I usually get nervous when we're around this crossing because I feel like cars might get stuck and the train will come through and hit it, but the crossing would go off pretty soon. I'm gonna do this so you guys. It's gonna go off pretty soon, probably. And then after this, we could wave to the train engineer, aka driver. We could wave to him or her. He's on rollerblades, and we're gonna wave to him or her, and it's gonna be the engine leading the train here. It should be here. Sometimes it's a little bit late, but sometimes it's, sometimes it's on time, but it should be coming right around now. I thought I heard it too, but
I heard the radio.
Yeah, me too. Should be here in one minute, so this time we're for sure, because it's like we have sort of a sense. We have like a sense that tells you. It just tells us. We have like a sense. Sort of tells us that we have a sense that tells us it's coming. And hi, we have a sense that it's coming. It should be going off right now. Might hear the horn, might not. Now, this tripod is complicated. You got it. You pretty much got it. Good job. Be careful. There he is. He's on the other side. So there's my friend. Oh!
Here he comes.
Yeah!
Here he comes.
Yep.
How's he going this way?
Oh!
Here he is. Found it.
Out the loophole.
I do it.
Yeah, that was good.
Wow.
That was pretty fast.
That's fast.
Yeah, they go fast around here.
I got it.
Good job. And they go really fast around here because yeah, they go really fast around here. Oh yeah, I see it. Make sure to like and subscribe. There's a little bell in the corner. Please press that. You will get notified every time we post/upload a new video. Thank you for watching our channel, Transportation, Food, and More, on YouTube. And make sure to subscribe and like. Bye. Peace.